Welcome to your new home here in Wyndham Lakes in Coral Springs, Florida. I am so excited about our 3-bedroom, 2-bath that's located in a gated community, only 1 mile away from the highway. I love how close I am to grade A schools, as well as to shopping, and so many different facilities that are nearby. I know my family would greatly appreciate it, and I'm pretty sure yours will too. Come on inside and I'll give you a tour. This is Sasha Valdez with the Aponte Group, and I can't wait to welcome you home.